Hello, good day. My name is Cherry Ann Untao, and you can call me Teacher Cherry. I am dedicated and passionate preschool educator with almost 3 years of teaching experience in Singapore and nearly 6 years in the Philippines. I graduated in 2015 from the University of Southeastern Philippines with a Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in Early Childhood Education. Teaching has always been a part of me, and being in the classroom brings me genuine happiness, especially when I can support children academically, socially, and emotionally. I am confident in creating a safe, nurturing, and engaging learning environment that fosters early development and encourages children to explore and grow. I have taught children aged 3 to 4 years old at Doña Pilar Learning Center in the Philippines. And in Singapore, I work at Sheffield Kids World Sengkang from January 2023 to December 2025 as an English teacher and also admin staff. I handle playgroup, nursery, and nursery 2 and gain experience working with the children with special needs and also a relief teacher in the infant class, which broaden my understanding of early childhood development across age group. In addition, I managed administrative tasks, parent meetings, and curriculum planning, which strengthened my organizational and communication skills. I am patient, responsible, and highly motivated, and I enjoy planning age-appropriate activities while building strong relationship with the children and parents, and also in my colleagues. I look forward to continue to grow as an educator and continue positively to the preschool community. Thank you for taking time to get to know me, and I wish a wonderful day. Bye.